and welcome back to another video. As you can already tell, in today's video we are going to be making these delicious Fruity Pebble chocolate chip cookies. And of course, they are so soft and so chewy. I mean, look at that cookie break. These cookies are so packed with amazing Fruity Pebbles, so if you are a Fruity Pebbles fan like me, like this video, leave a comment down below, and make sure to watch until the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, we are using a large bowl today because I am making a double batch of cookies. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of granulated sugar and also 1 cup of brown sugar, and make sure it's packed. Next, we are going to add in 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, and guys, please make sure that your butter is room temperature before you use it so you don't get soggy cookies. Then we are going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and after that we're also going to add in 2 eggs. Once your eggs are in, it's time to mix. So you can use a hand mixer at this point or a spatula just like me, but when you mix, just make sure to mix thoroughly so that all the sugar is dissolved and you can no longer see any egg in the bowl. Once your mixture looks something like this, all nice and silky, that means you're done and you can set this off to the side, and it's time to work on our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, we are going to combine 2 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we mix. Once you are done mixing, it is time to combine the dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So I'm going to pour the flour mixture directly into the wet ingredients bowl that we worked on earlier, and now it's time to combine the two. Now, for this step, you can do it manually like me and slowly fold in the flour with the wet ingredients, but fair warning, this is a little bit of a laborsome task. I mean, my arm almost fell off because we are doing a double batch. This is a lot of flour. But if you are not crazy like me, feel free to use a hand mixer on low speed at this point. While you watch me struggle with this cookie dough for a bit, if you are new to my channel, just wanted to say hi and welcome, and thanks for clicking on my video. So just a little bit about me, my name's Nicole and I am just a gal that loves food. I love baking, I love cooking, I love all things food, so if you're into all of that stuff, definitely subscribe to my channel. Phew! Okay, she is finally looking beautiful. Just make sure that you mix in all of the flour on the sides of the bowl but underneath as well, and our cookie dough should look super fluffy and delicious just like so. Yay, it's finally mixing time. So the first thing I'm gonna add is some white chocolate chips, and then this is totally optional, but I found this ruby chocolate at the store and I was very intrigued. Very delicious, by the way, if you've never tried it. And then of course, our star ingredient, our Fruity Pebbles. Once your Fruity Pebbles are in your cookie dough, I am so sorry to say guys, but it is time for workout number 2. We need to mix all of our mix-ins thoroughly into this cookie dough so our cookies turn out amazing. And trust me, this is not the easiest task either. That's why I said it's kind of a workout. Okay, but look at how pretty it looks. All of the colors are so cute. And now it is time to scoop out our pretty cookie dough. So in today's video, I'm going to be using a medium ice cream scooper to do so, but also feel free to do this manually if you don't have a scooper. Look at how pretty! I cannot get over all of the beautiful colors in these these cookies. But again, like I said in the beginning, we are making a double batch, so I'm gonna scoot this over and scoop out the rest of the dough. And there we have it, friends. This double batch of cookies made us 28 medium cookies. Now we chill our cookie dough in the fridge while we preheat our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now that our ovens are ready to go, I'm just going to set 6 cookie dough balls on a baking tray, and I'm gonna bake for about 8 minutes. Out of the oven, our amazing cookies should look like this. Oh, so pretty. But just let them cool for 5 minutes and then we can finally dig in. As you can tell from the cookie break, these cookies are so soft and so chewy, and let me tell you about the taste. It tastes amazing. Also, don't these cookies look like the perfect birthday confetti cookie? I may actually have to make these for my birthday next year. Alright friends, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!